Hey dolls, so I am back and I have a new wig to show you dolls. Really simple and easy. Y'all know I like to do a quick glueless method for my beginners or just anybody in general who doesn't want to use glue or any hairspray or anything like that. So if y'all want to see where this wig is from and how I installed it, how I got it to melt without any hairspray or anything like that, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this hair is from Asteria hair. You will see the packaging and everything that came inside of the box right here in this next clip. So let's get into the packaging. This is the box, and then on the inside, of course, you have the wig wrapped up in a plastic bag. And then we got some goodies. So we got a pair of lashes, and then we also got a satin bag that you can store your wig in for later, an edge brush, and then we also have a melting band, which is great, and also some wig caps. So awesome. So let's get into it. This is how the lace looks on the wig, and then the construction on the inside of the wig. Sorry if I sound a little nasally. My allergies have been bothering me for the past couple of days. So I'm just going in and popping the wig on. You can see the pretty wave pattern on this wig. So I'm just going to shift the wig around to get it to sit where I want it to sit. It already came with the middle part in it. I did not bleach or pluck this wig or anything like that. This is fresh out of the box. So I am going to go in with a razor to just remove the lace on the front. You can do this off of your head if you are scared to do it on your head, if you're scared you're going to cut yourself, or if you think you're going to cut off too much lace. But if you cut off a little bit of the hairs, it's not the end of the world. Not that big of a deal. It just kind of gonna make your wig a little bit more jagged and not so straight of a part. So it's really not a bad thing, but you don't want to cut in too far and take off so much of your hair. So I zoomed in a little so y'all can kind of see more so up close what it looks like while I am cutting this. This is just an eyebrow razor that I am using to do so. So I'm gonna go back in and shift the wig once again, just to place it where I want it to be. And on this particular side of the wig, it was a little bit more bulky, so I did just kind of part the hair off, and I'm gonna hot comb this section down first. Always, it seems like whenever I have wigs, one side is more flat than the other side. I don't know why that is, but yeah, that tends to happen pretty much every time in my experience. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I just flip the hair back over, and I'm gonna hot comb this section down as well. Really simple and easy. You definitely want to have a hot comb on hand, but you can also take a flat iron and just kind of flatten out this top section if you don't have a hot comb. But if you're going to be wearing wigs, I definitely recommend to get a hot comb because it's just an essential item that you definitely need. Mine's is kind of going out because it kind of has a shortage in it, so sometimes it will just cut off. But I haven't got a new one because I find that lately I don't use it as much because I haven't really been wearing wigs. So yeah, I just used a little bit of hot spray. I used a little bit of hairspray on the wig, and this is going to tame any flyaways and just get everything to lay down nice and sleek, so you don't have those little hairs sticking up or anything like that. It gives it a more polished look. And then I'm going to take a little bit of foundation powder and just place this at the front lace line of the wig to just have it to blend better with my forehead. This powder that I used was maybe a little bit lighter than my skin tone is right now. Like whenever I'm looking at it on camera, it looks fine, but I can see that it is a smidge light. So I did go back in later, which you will see with a little bit more powder that was a little bit darker. And I'm just going to take my hot comb once again and push the hair back off of the hairline. I like to do this. It's not necessary. If you want your hair to fall more in your face, you can skip this step. But this is just something that I tend to like to do. Like, I like the look of it. So yeah, now I'm going back in with more foundation powder, a color that is just a smidge darker, because I feel like it's going to make it blend in even better. So I'm just blending that powder into the hairline. I like to use this brush more because it gives a more flawless airbrushed kind of look versus the brush that I was using at first. But then I'm also taking some concealer. I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to grab an angled brush to just drag this down the parting area of the wig. and this is going to really clean up that part and really make it pop out, especially since I didn't bleach the knots or anything like that. It can hide any of those little black dots or anything, and it just overall makes the parting area look better. So I'm just taking the hot comb on the back edge and kind of blending that concealer in. You can use some mousse or water or whatever you want to use, but the hot comb does also help to really melt the concealer in. And then I'm going back in and pushing the hairline back once again, because you have to kind of train the hair when it's fresh out of the box, or even if you washed it or anything, you still have to go in and train the hair. So I'm going to use some leave-in conditioner to just tame the hair a little bit. I'm not going to drench it or anything like that, because I didn't want the hair to give a super defined look. I just wanted to polish off the hair and give it a more juicy look, if you will. So then I'm taking a little bit more hairspray right on the top, tames down those flyaways and just keeps everything nice and in place. And then I'm going back in with the hairspray right in the front to just use my hot comb and push it back once again. With the hairspray, it's gonna hold it in place better versus if you were to just do it without any product or anything like that. So yeah, really simple and easy. And you can see the hair is already given, like it was already given fresh out of the box, especially whenever you have a nice curly wig and then it's just a closure, it's not a frontal, so you don't have to do so much work, and it's easy to put on and off. So super cute. This is the finished look of the hair. Super pretty. I didn't really show y'all the full look of the hair fresh out of the box, like straight out of the packaging, but now you can see the length of the hair and everything like that. So stay tuned for the outro. Okay, doll, so that completes this look of this hair. Really simple and easy, really cute. I took some cute pictures so that I can have a nice little thumbnail for you dolls and some things that I can send for the company. But yeah, this hair is really nice. Asteria always has really good hair. The quality feels amazing. It's really soft, very lightweight, but still very full. Like it doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. But the hair is still very full. So it just gives you that full look without weighing your head down. And yeah, the hair is really pretty, and it definitely gives more so of a black. It is probably like a 1B, but it kind of leans more black to me because I did dye my hair recently black. So this definitely fits that vibe. Like it looks black, maybe not jet black, but kind of like an off black, if you will. But yeah, the hair is super pretty, really soft, and it's not even frizzy or anything really to say that I didn't put a lot of product in it. So definitely check out Asteria Hair, and if you dolls have any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.